In this video, I am going to show you how to assign a new domain in Bluehost. First, go to your domain register and click your domain name. Here you can find this DNS settings. I am using Google domain, but you can find this DNS settings on GoDaddy, Namecheap and all other domain registers. Click Custom Name Server. Click Manage Name Servers. Here you need to type the name servers. And click Save. And click this Switch to these settings. Now the DNS settings are changed successfully. Then go to your Bluehost dashboard. Click Domains. Click Assign. Choose the second option and type your domain name. Now ownership is verified successfully. Then scroll down and click Assign this domain. Now the domain is successfully added on Bluehost dashboard. Now go to My Sites. Click Add Site. Click Create New Site. Type your domain name. Write something about your website. And click Next. Choose your domain name. Untick these plugins if you don't like. And click Next. It will take few minutes, so kindly wait for some time. Now click Manage Site. Click Settings. You have to edit some values in PHPMyAdmin. So click View. Click this one. Click Options. Here you can see Site URL and Home. Double click here and paste your domain link here. Do the same in the second option. Then again go to your Bluehost dashboard. Now click Login to WordPress. Now your new site is successfully added on your Bluehost dashboard.